Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
So Bear is on my nap. She covers us to Kansas City. Bear, you have to stay here. You can't come with us. I'll be back tomorrow, I promise.
Here we go.
Hey guys, I'm in the hospital. Waiting for my echo. So, wish me luck at my whole appointment. Hope everything goes well. I'm at the KU hospital. So, wish me luck. Oh, by the way, we just arrived in Kansas City. So, yeah. Alright guys,
Yeah,
so
I'll just pick the most quiet place, I think.
about to do
I might go
some
find 'em.
call from Dr. Point, leaving this hospital, but we're not leaving just yet. About to do 1 o'clock call. Wish me luck.
No, Angie, this is the hour.
Well guys, finished my appointment.
You can still do
What do
a
you
screen
think?
grab of that.
What do you think?
I thought great news. I'm very, very excited. Woohoo!
But the bad news is, I got an IV. So it's always been out. It's always been out. So yeah, so they didn't see the heart well because of the walls. So they placed an IV, but unfortunately they're trying to place it on the left arm, but I don't want to go throughout. So it didn't get into the vein well. So they sent an IV team just to put this IV in. So is it kind of bad, Angie?
It's okay, Trina.
And you, Mom?
It's better now.
So yeah, so the IV team just found a vein on my arm, and then they placed a small needle in it, and yeah, so we can continue this echo. So yeah, my echo's doing well, and also my appointment went well. So Right now,
try to
we're
go to
leaving
the
the
hotel.
hospital right now.
Well, can we go?
And
Well, I
where you
sent a
gonna go?
message saying
We're gonna go to the hotel.
Trina, I
So
don't want to be
we're
filmed.
checking into a hotel now. So by the way, I forgot to say hello to the vlog. Hello vlog. Welcome to Kansas City. So today we're here in Kansas City. Just got out of the hospital, and right now we're at Sonic. What do you think?
I think it's good.
So yeah, we're getting a drink, and then I think we're gonna check in the hotel, and what we're gonna do after that.
We're gonna go. I think your mom needs a nap. We're
We're gonna go to Country Club Plaza.
We're gonna. Well, no, we'll go to Oak Park Mall. How's that?
So yeah, having a rough afternoon. But I got this IV out. So yeah, no more IVs until it is something to do so. So yeah, my heart appointment looks great. No problems with my heart.
order.
And yeah, no problems with my heart. And my echo is great. So yeah, have a great appointment. So what do you think, AJ?
For eating.
And Grandma?
I'm relieved.
So yeah, we're ordering. Got my chocolate shake, the chili cheese tots, and yeah, and grilled cheese. So yeah, got grilled cheese, so let's eat. Alright guys, so we're at Country Club Plaza, but to walk in the Apple store to pick up the Apple TV 4K, and also I gotta see what I can do with this headphones. I probably need some pairs. I don't know. But right now we're just walking towards the Apple store. Barely see the iPhone 12 in purple. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's Apple TV 4K. Guys, we got an Apple TV. What do you think?
I love it. I'm excited.
But we have to call the support in order to get the air caps replaced. So we have to do it over the phone when we get back. But right now, I think we're gonna go ahead and head back to the car, check in the hotel, and head to Oak Park Mall. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're staying at this hotel right there. What do you think, Grandma?
Well, I think it's great.
So yeah, we're nearly close to the Oak Park Mall, right, Grandma? So yeah, but right in is checking in. So yeah, are you gonna go ahead and head to the room?
Yes, we are.
So yeah. But anyway, once they get everything settled, I think me, my mom, and my aunt are heading to Oak Park Mall. So yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Home sweet home for one night. Home sweet home. Oh boy. Home sweet home. Find out this room on myself. Look at that. Find out my room on myself. Look at this. There's US 69 right there. Look at that. Look at that. Hotel give us a head wipe and also the bag with a remote. That way, due to COVID-19 regulation, they bag up the remote and also the wipes. And also, pretty nice bed too. Pretty nice bed. Look at that. Love this artwork. And also between the beds, nightstand with telephone, alarm clock, and that. Okay, I got my own desk, the LG TV, dresser, and ice bucket, coffee maker. Look at that. Got the safe and the refrigerator, and the mirror, and the closet. And lastly, the bathroom with the shower. And yes, this is a non-Indian room. So yeah. So that's our 2-4 room. That's where we're gonna be spending the night. And then tomorrow we'll check out and then head back home to Wichita. Here's my mom and dad's room, so they're gonna be sitting here. So
It's so much cooler in here.
it's a same room, but it's in the other corner. So yeah, same room compared to ours. But it's a white side and now it's the left side. What do you guys think? Hey, mom. Mom.
Yes, I like it.
Guess what? American Girl is closed down back in July 2020. Look at this. See that right there? Look at that. See that white building? That's it. There used to be American Girl. They're closed down. Look at this. They're closed down. Look at that. It closed down. So sad. Look at that. Justice is closed too. What? American Girl not this? Oh my. Oh. What? The Microsoft Store's gone. What? Come on. What? Oh no, that rush. We get some shows.
Yeah.
Or three-quarter has bubble smoothies. You guys, got bubble smoothies. Look at this. I got 2 of these West peanut butter cups with 1 little sugar, 2 peanut butter cups. Look at that. Got 2 of these. We got it, Mom.
Yeah.
Never had a fresh peanut butter cup.
What?
Never have a fresh peanut butter cup. So, yeah. Oh, look at that. This is a strawberry banana boba smoothie. Look at this. Let's drink those. Refreshing. Alright guys, so we're outside, looking around. But look guys, it's found since I got a boba smoothie from Sweetwater. Bam, look at this. There's a corgi drinking a boba tea.
Did you?
Look at this, you guys. Look at that, my favorite
Look, there's
game.
another KK Summer.
Animal Crossing New Horizons is at box lunch. Wow, look at that, my favorite game.
Baby, I never say for I will fall into the light.
So we're off topic now, and the maximum required inside. So they're limiting the capacity. So once this is over, they're gonna head back to full capacity. Right, Mom?
Yep.
So yeah, and also maximum required. So we're wearing masks. We're not in the woods.
Hold back, and you should know that what's never gone, just have regrets. So I'll go back.
Look at this. Shower flush. Look at that, candy punches. Oh wow. I bet you're gonna like this. Look at that, there's consummation candies. You know about this. So we did stop by Jolie and Paul. So we just got some bun candy, right, Mom?
Yep, we sure did.
So yeah.
The world's neglect. Then I shine right back again.
Swinging by Target to to get an HDMI cable for the Apple TV 4K. Because we know we can't do that without a HDMI cable. Isn't that right, Angie? So yeah. So my mom's getting an HDMI cable, and also is she getting milk for me? So yeah. So she's getting an HDMI cable and some stuff, and I've been planning Cheesecake Factory.
The time I lost, but no.
Hey, we know, did I
Oh, look at that.
put forks in there?
It's got the whole cheesecake. Did you do the whole cheesecake, Angie?
Yes, I got a whole
What kind is it?
The good one stuff.
It's a regular whole
How many forks
And
or
also,
stuff do they
second bag, I got the triple baked oil, so
Hold on.
I got it in a hotel, or in a car, I believe. But,
One.
yeah. Look at that. Here with this bread. And also, triple baked oil. You guys can see it. Look at that. Finally back in my hotel room. Finally going to relax in bed. I gotta get caught up all of the YouTube videos for today. And then eating dinner. And then watching a horror movie. And get the Apple TV set up in the other room. So right now, I gotta get caught up with starting with Emma and Ellie's family. And then it's on live. And then this is how we bring them. And yeah, that's it. So anyway, I gotta get things caught up and eat some dinner and stuff. And also, don't forget, I gotta edit this vlog and get it out to you. So there he is, this is my room with angel hair, with bread, yeah, got the bread, and also I gotta get caught up on YouTube. So yeah. Alright guys, I gotta go ahead and wrap up this vlog. I gotta go ahead and edit the vlog and then send it out to you. Get a custom thumbnail in. So yeah. Right now I'm playing Sims 4 we landed on my Switch, and yes, I brought my Switch with me. Look at that. I'm playing Sims 4 we landed on my Switch in the hotel room. So yeah. That's why I'm spending the night alone with my grandmother and my mom and my aunts, or in a different room hooking up the Apple TV. So yeah, I will show you guys tomorrow. It's getting late. So yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. Oh, and by the way, tomorrow we're packing it up. And then I think we're gonna go ahead and head to the Legends, I believe. And then I think we're gonna go home to Wichita tomorrow. So yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's our adventure is what to be. And it's watching, please bye-bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.